Welcome to a presentation about existentialism brought to you by your neighborhood doctors. Please remember that we will cover the topic in general terms. Please consult your doctors for specific questions pertaining to you. Existentialism can be thought of as a journey. Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a vast desert with no map or compass to guide you. You have no idea where you are going, but you know that you must take the first step and begin your journey. You may not know what lies ahead, but you must trust in yourself and your own decisions to find your way. Along the way, you will encounter obstacles and challenges that will test your courage and strength. But if you stay true to yourself and make decisions based on what is right for you, then eventually you will reach your destination. Existentialism is about taking control of your life and making choices that are right for you, even when it may seem difficult or uncertain. Existentialism can manifest itself in a variety of ways, both physically and emotionally. Common symptoms of existentialism include feelings of emptiness, loneliness, and alienation, a sense of meaninglessness or purposelessness in life, a lack of direction or motivation, difficulty making decisions or feeling overwhelmed by choices, anxiety about death and the future, depression or apathy, difficulty connecting with others or forming meaningful relationships, a feeling that life is absurd or chaotic. Existentialism is a philosophical movement that has been around since the 19th century. It is most commonly associated with the writings of Soren Kierkegaard, Friedrich Nietzsche, and Jean-Paul Sartre. Existentialism is not a mental disorder or illness, but rather a way of looking at life and the world. The demographics of existentialism are varied and complex. It is not limited to any particular age group, gender, race, or socioeconomic status. Existentialism can be found in people from all walks of life who are seeking to make sense of their lives and the world around them. It is particularly popular among young adults who are trying to find meaning in their lives and make sense of their place in the world. Existentialism is a philosophical movement that emphasizes individual existence, freedom, and choice. It is a way of looking at life that focuses on the individual's experience in a world without meaning or purpose. Existentialism does not have one single cause, but rather is the result of a variety of factors. These include the influence of certain philosophical thinkers, such as Soren Kierkegaard and Friedrich Nietzsche, the rise of modern science and technology, and the increasing sense of alienation and isolation in modern society. Additionally, existentialism can be seen as a reaction to traditional religious beliefs, which often provide an external source of meaning and purpose. Ultimately, existentialism is an individual's response to their own unique set of circumstances and experiences. Existentialism is a philosophical approach to life that can be difficult to understand and cope with. Fortunately, there are several treatments available for those struggling with existentialism. The first step in treating existentialism is to talk to a mental health professional. A therapist can help you explore your thoughts and feelings about life and help you find ways to cope with them. They can also provide guidance on how to make sense of the world around you and how to live a meaningful life. Another treatment option is cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. This type of therapy focuses on changing negative thought patterns and behaviors that may be contributing to your feelings of existential distress. Through CBT, you can learn how to challenge irrational beliefs, develop healthier coping strategies, and gain insight into the meaning of life. Finally, mindfulness-based therapies such as meditation and yoga can be helpful in managing existential distress. These practices can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to better manage them in a healthy way. Additionally, mindfulness-based therapies can help you cultivate a sense of peace and acceptance in the face of life's uncertainties. Overall, there are many treatment options available for those struggling with existentialism. It is important to remember that everyone's experience is unique, so it may take some time before finding the right approach for you. Existentialism is a philosophical condition that can be difficult to understand and manage. It is important to remember that existentialism is not a mental illness, but rather a way of looking at the world and one's place in it. The prognosis for existentialism depends on the individual's willingness to explore their own thoughts and feelings, as well as their ability to find meaning in life. With proper guidance and support, individuals can learn to cope with the challenges of existentialism and find ways to live meaningful lives. It is important for individuals to remember that they are ultimately responsible for their own happiness and well-being, and that they have the power to make choices that will lead them towards a more fulfilling life. Thank you for listening to this presentation brought to you by Talking Raymond. For information, Check us out retinally.com/info. Be safe. Love you.